Hello, everyone, and welcome to Rock Studios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm here with Ashkan Ashouriha. He is our EMEA Product Manager for Software. And Ashkan, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. I'm very, very glad to be here.
So we're going to be talking about the evolution of the connected enterprise. But before we can talk about that, let's just get started with your definition of what is a connected enterprise.
Oh, that's a great question. So when we started our journey of the connected enterprise in our own company, so we were searching for a name for the vision of smart manufacturing, right? If you want to have a baby, you have to give the baby a name, right? So that's where we came up with the connected enterprise. So it means if you close your eyes, reminding there is an enterprise, there is a progression plan where everything's connected, you're getting data, transparency in all the different stages, right? From raw material and really track and trace for the customer. So really getting the idea of digital transformation and smart manufacturing aligned in one connected enterprise. So that's the quickest description I can give to you. And I see that.
It's a great one, Ashkan, really. So let's talk about the business demands. What business demands have accelerated the urgent need for industrial companies to envision and create a connected enterprise?
So 10 years ago, when everybody started to talk about Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing, so the general idea was really, okay, I have a lot of different islands, software here, software there, and how can I connect them to get more value out of it, right? So I was saying connecting the dots, right? Connecting all the dots around. So and then people started to, okay, maybe I'm getting a better utilization outcome. I'm getting higher OEE and less scrap parts, things like that. So due to the evolution of the connected enterprise and smart manufacturing, nowadays we are putting everything, if you're talking to customers, everything under the big umbrella of sustainability, because the only way industry can really care about sustainability is digital transformation. If you have blind spots in your production, you cannot be sustainable because you don't know what's happening, right? What is your CO2 footprint? You don't know. And that's currently the biggest driver for it, really having the transparency in your connected enterprise, helping you reaching your sustainability goals. That's currently the top one driver.
Great point. So let's talk about the value or the opportunities that leaders can expect by becoming a connected enterprise. I mean, you mentioned sustainability. What others come to mind?
So think about, you have several plants, and each plant you're producing the same product. You can start to combine. And I say maybe, hey, why is Stan better as an operator than Ashkan is, right? Maybe I'm getting the wrong lunch, right? Some things like that. The capability to get insights, right? And this is not only for sustainability, for all the different aspects, all the driving things in the specific industry. And once you have an insight, you can make an impact. You understand, oh, okay, I have to focus here, I have to focus there. Because you cannot say, I'm focusing everywhere. No, that's the wrong understanding of focusing, right? So at least performance of your production, really, time to market, time to value, that's one of the new words people are value streamers using, time to value, because you don't want to say, okay, now I'm spending 10 million and in 5 years I'm getting a return of invest. No, you want to, okay, I'm investing, return of invest. I'm investing, return of invest. So, because you want to talk to your employees, okay, that's the reason why we're doing this, right? That's the reason why we're doing this. Otherwise, everybody's okay, why is my manager doing this? I don't understand it. So, and we are seeing that in our private life, right? Even during the pandemic, one of the lessons learned for everybody was, oh yeah, we can work digital, we can work around the globe, over a cloud, right? And this is now transforming a lot of mindsets. Maybe was not the best reason to do it, but it happens, right? And we are hearing a lot of feedback, customers that say, hey, no, we don't talk about cloud, it's not ours, now way more open, because they was forced to do it. And now they say, oh, it works, and it was secured. So yeah, maybe we should take the opportunity to use it for our own production, for our own way of doing business.
Really good points. So what's something, I mean, I guess when you talk with customers, right, what's something that they'd wish they'd known at the beginning before pursuing a large-scale digital transformation?
Oh, that's a great question, because there is one big thing, is there is no golden way. So think about, if you want to go, following a map, you want to go somewhere, you're putting in your smartphone, I want to go to my favorite restaurant, you typically get 2-3 different routes, right? And at the beginning, people start to say, oh, there is a golden way. I'm doing step 1, 2, 3, then I'm full digitalized, I'm transformed. No, right? Because each company, each problem I want to solve have a different journey, right? And what we're trying to do from Rockwell is, for Rockwell Automation, we want to be the preferred technology provider to help. We don't say this is the best way to do it because, hey, we are not the experts in that product the customer's producing, right? They are the experts. We are there to listen to them, trying to help them to solve the problem. So that is something a lot of people see that as a lesson learned. There's no golden way. Don't search for it. You're wasting time and money. Do your best. Talk to the technology providers. Try to figure out, okay, I can solve this. Based on that, I can go to step 2. This is my step 2. Fits only from me, right? That's the biggest one.
That's great insight, Ashkan. And I have to say, I think we could talk about the connected enterprise for hours. But I thank you so much for joining us in the studio, giving our viewers an opportunity to think about what's possible when they think about a broader digital transformation approach. And thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the connected enterprise and what it can offer you, make sure you go to rockwellautomation.com and look under our offerings under the connected enterprise, where we have a wealth of information for you to learn more. Thanks for watching.